Hello and welcome back to my channel where I teach how to make money. In today's video, I will show you how you can just create a bundle on your Shopify. So first we have to log in or sign up in a Shopify ID. So as you can see, I have signed up my account on Shopify. So from here we can just see our ID here. So to add a bundle, as you can see, I've added up many product. So I've added up one, two, three. So we can just select all, and I have added 7 product as you can see. So if I want to make a bundle, so what if I want to make a bundle of this sleeper and this pair? So this pair of running soft insoles for feet of man and woman, orthopedic, pad shock absorption, arch support. Okay. So for this we have to just go to our apps option. So here we can just click on recommended apps. So as we can see, you can just scroll down and here is the option find more apps in Shopify App Store. You have to click on here and we have to close this from here. So basically you have to just here and search for bundler. Okay. So what is bundler? Let's search Bundler. So we have to just click enter and here we can see we have many bundlers in our Shopify. So as you can see, this bundler have a good review. This and Hulk product option this also. So we have to just choose this because this gives us a free plan. So here we can see this bundler, the product bundles gives us a free plan. So let's see the free plan versus premium plan. So as you can see, free plan gives us a unlimited bundle, customizable widget and bundle widget and Shopify POS, and it also gives us a custom product image discount, condition, volume discount, unlimited orders, and premium we can do like mix match, variant level of bundles. You can just create a landing page, bundle listing, bundle short code, custom bundle image, discount in card, free shipping, and funnels. So as you can see, so I think so this the free option is for everyone free, and this premium option we have to pay a month, so it will cost you about like 12 months. So we can just calculate it. So 699 multiply 12 you can just do. So you can just enter. So it will cost you about $83.88 a year. So you can just purchase if you want a premium version. So as you can see, the reviews also are good. So this bundler gives us it creates a bundle and discount and quantity breaks in shop, and it create a classic bundle. Mix match bundle is for like premiums, and it creates a bundle with discount type and the discount percentage or discount like comparison price discounts, and it increases the average order value for with classic bundle quantity and quantity and more. So it's our discount bundles and bundle upsells are compatible to our subscription. So we can just add this app to a shop. So or we can just view their demo shop also if you want to again. So here we can see it gives us option to here to install app as top. So first of all we have to just read their like privacy details and all the details, term and condition. If you want to read you can read. For now I'm installing it. So we have to click on install app, and as we can see our bundle has been installed in our shop as you can see. So if it is forwarded like this, so if you are opening a new page and you're at home, so to access your bundler you have to click here on apps, and here is option first option bundler. You can just click here and just open it. Okay. So from here you can just create a bundle. So to create a bundle you can just click here like create bundle, or you can just start my free trial. You can just do start my free trial. So here it's asking for a bill that you have to pay for every 30 days. So I have not purchased it now. for now. So I can just create a bundle. So here it gives us four options. So these two options are for premium and these two options are for us. So we can just create a classic bundle. So to create it, we have to just click here, and here we have to just name the bundle. So we just name it at sample for this video. You have to name it your name, just sample, and the title will be also sample bundle. Okay, so we can just write the description this, and the total price template will be original price and the discounted price. So as you can see, we can just make it the total. So we can just yeah, we can just do this as a default, and our call to action button will be add to cart, and here you can see text under call action button discount will be applied at checkout, and you can just to sequence as 10, and bundle status active, as our bundle status active, and we can just give a percentage discount. We can just create a fixed amount. So let's give the discount. We can just like more it from here. So let's give a 20% discount, and we can add a free shipping. Only we can just add the free shipping. So it's not available in the trial version. So we have to purchase a premium. We just go to our bundler and to follow the same step. Create a bundle, classic bundle. We can name as. So here is the product level, product variant. So we can just make it. So here we can just select the product, whichever bundle we want to make. So here we can just select. So we want to select this, and like this sleepers, this insole, and our um, sleepers for women. So we can just go winter slippers for women. So we can add. So it have been added. So we have to scroll down, and we can just save it from here. So we can just click here, save bundle. So yes, I see the bundle, of course. So from here it's redirecting to our page, so it's saying to our like a gateway bad gateway. So we can just save it. So it have been saved. So from here we can just click on our. We can just reload it here one time, and we can just check it from the previous section of our show. So as you can see, it's we're not added to a store yet. So we can show the widget outside to the Shopify. So here is the code. We can just copy it. So we can just paste it. If you want, you can just copy, copy and upgrade the premium plan. So this is actually a premium plan. So this tutorial requires, so we can just go to the online store, and you can just click on customize, and you see it's loading. You click on customize, so we can just edit a section on our header, uh, custom liquid. So we can just enter the code, and then just save it. So as you can see, this is the code. Then about the liquid code. So the code should be embedded, I think so. So yes, it's actually not coming. So we can just add to the section. We can just go to add section, and we can search for embedded code. It's not coming, so we can just exit here, and we can just click on the three dots, and you can just put to edit code. So from here we can just go to a new template, or we can just add from here the paid contract password section. So we can add a section in header. So from here we can just add after, in between we can just add. So this code has been ending here. We can just add from here and just save it. So its a format is here actually automatically here. So it's not saving. So I think so if we have to buy the premium and then we can see the output. So we can just go to our app and see the widget from here. So this is how you can just add a bundle to your store. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.